Good morning, TikTok. Here is Doc Brown's thought reading headpiece from Back to the Future Part 1. It is beautiful. From what I understand, it's a production-made piece. It was not screen use. Screen use is owned by Bill and Patrick Shea in their private collection, but I handmade the lights, took off the old teak plastic lights, redid it, wrapped all the cylinders, wrapped the coils. Everything works, has an independent battery system in it, so that way it can turn on and off. It is a beautiful piece ready to go back to the owner.